Hello, everybody. My name is Gaspar Baye. I am currently playing with large language models, generative AIs. So I succeeded to implement Llama version 1 a couple of months ago. So just recently, Facebook Meta launched Llama version 2, which is like an improved version of the version 1. So I wanted to make a video for the version 2, but I said, hey, wait, why will I not make a video for version 1 first so people can see the difference between version 1 and version 2? So the aim of this video is to create a quick demo of Llama version 1. And for those who don't know, Llama is an open source large language model developed by Meta AI. So I'm also excited about implementing the version 2, which functions just like ChatGPT, generating results based on instructions. In Llama version 2, we have refined, or the Meta AI engineers refined the model using reinforcement learning with human feedback. For being nice, it needs to, this is a technique used to instruct the model or the AI to be nice, to be, avoid hateful speech or harmful responses. So today I will showcase how Llama version 1 was developed and quickly show a demo. So for those who are curious, there is a paper called Llama, an open and efficient foundation language model. So this paper can be found on arXiv or even on Facebook's page. You just from a quick Googling, you will find it. They also have a public repository. You will have to go back, because this is now updated to Llama version 2. So the version 1 should be in like few months ago. So you can go through the commits and go back in time. And yeah, so I will not be, for this video, I will not be showcasing Llama version 2, but only Llama version 1, so that the next video will be the continuation of this video. Okay, so generally we say Llama version 1 is a base model, while Llama version 2 is an instruction tuned model. What's the difference between the two? A base model predicts the next word based on text training data. For example, if you ask Llama version 1, what is the capital? It will tell you, it will continue of France. So it will tell you that the resultant output will be, what is the capital of France? So in instruction tuned LLM, just like ChatGPT, you can add more instructions like, hey, how can I go to France? For example, it will tell you, like, give you detailed explanation on how you can go to France. And if you want it to complete, it can also complete. So ChatGPT is a typical example of instruction tuned LLM. Yeah, so enough with the speech. Let's now see if we can have a demo of Llama version 1. Okay, so I downloaded the source code, and then you will have to download the weights. Usually Facebook provides a way to request the weights from their website. So there is a request for a download here. You have to fill this form. Let me see. Yeah, you have to fill this form, and then an email will be sent to you with a link. That link can be used to download the weight. So the link will provide you the model weights. If you check on models here, we should be, okay, sorry, and output, I guess. Yeah, I saved it in model weights. Sorry. So if we check on model weights, we should be able to see, yeah, the data. So once you download that, you will need to use the download.sh, okay? The download.sh. This will be helpful because you will either download 7 billion parameter, 13 billion, or 65 billion, or 30. So based on what you're looking for, you will download it. And beware of the resources you will use. This Llama version 1 have been taking around 15 gig GPU. So if I put NV top here, you see right now it is at 75, approximately 75. If you see here, it is around 15 out of the 19 gig. So make sure you have enough resources for that. Let me go back to where I ran the model and restart it. So here I have used an open source Docker playground, which can also be found by just Googling this term, Llama Docker playground. You will find it online. And then you'll be able to reuse the source, the open source project to provide a UI. And then once you have that, you can now run this command. Hopefully you have to have enough resources to get this command to work for you, because without the resources, without the GPU resources, you may be able to have issues running the this code. So if I go back to my GPU instance, we see here that it is down. It is nearly low. It's nearly zero utilization. So let me run the code, and we go back and see how the resource utilization will fly up. So here it ran, and then it will load the model. So it is using the 7 billion parameters. So I don't have enough resources, so I just use the minimal. And yeah, so we have it served here. And let's go to the resources and see. You see here, the resources, it skyrocketed to, again, approximately 73 or so. So yeah, it's important to have the resources, otherwise you won't be able to run this model. I haven't tested the version 2 yet, which has charts and stuff, so I'm excited to do that soon. So let's go and check out the version 1, how it works. I think it was Llama chat or Llama. Yeah, Llama chat. No, Llama version 1. Yep, Llama version 1.ai. Awesome. So let me type hello. Well, let me just type something that can, be auto-completed. Who is John? And then let's see what it will give us. You see? So I just started typing who is John. And then this completed the sentence, who is Johnny Depp, dating in 2016. Late night, on one of the funniest episodes of Jimmy, blah, blah, blah. So that's what we call a base model. It completes the sentence. It predicts the next few sentences. We can increase the size of the token, but it also required, enough GPU. So this is what we can see from Llama version 1. In version 2, it's much more better. I saw online few implementations. I think it's much more better, and I'm excited to showcase the version 2. And I think they published the paper somewhere. If I check it, yeah, I think this is, and you can also request the model. You have to just download the weights, and then you place it in a specific folder, and you will be able to run the code. So they have all the statistics here and all their results here. Please take some time if you want to go to the technical detail, which is usually very important to understand the foundation of AI, especially large language models, given the hype and everything. Don't just rely on social media. Also try to find out, truth based on the technical implementation and the papers. So you will also see about the fine tuning, and then the chat and so on and so forth. Thank you for listening to me, and I wish you a wonderful day. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you.